Whitepages, how do I remove info from Whitepages? Whitepages is an online directory service that provides users with access to a vast database of contact information, including phone numbers, addresses, and other public records. Originally, it started as a digitized version of traditional phone books, but it has evolved to include a variety of features and services that go beyond basic contact details. Whitepages is widely used by individuals, businesses, and professionals for a range of purposes such as finding people, verifying identities, and conducting background checks. Key features: 1. People search. Whitepages allows users to search for individuals using their name, address, or phone number. This feature is commonly used to locate people or verify contact details. Once a name is entered, the platform retrieves information such as full name, phone number, landline or mobile, current and past addresses, relatives and associates, age and location history too. Reverse phone lookup. This feature lets users enter a phone number to find out who it belongs to. It's useful for identifying unknown callers or verifying the legitimacy of phone numbers. The service provides name of the phone owner, location and carrier of the phone number, additional contact information, if available. 3. Address lookup. By entering an address, users can retrieve information about the property and its owners. This tool is often used to verify who lives at a particular location, whether for personal reasons, business purposes, or due diligence on properties. It typically provides name of the resident, property ownership details, associated phone numbers. 4. Background checks. One of Whitepages' most comprehensive services is its background check functionality. Users can request detailed reports that go beyond contact information, which may include criminal records, example arrests, warrants, traffic records, bankruptcy and other financial records, employment history, educational background. This feature is widely used by employers, landlords, and individuals for vetting purposes. 5. Business search. Whitepages also has a directory of business information. Users can search for businesses by name, phone number, or address to retrieve contact information, locations, and even reviews in some cases. This service is helpful for people who need to connect with local or nationwide businesses. 6. Tenant screening. Whitepages tenant check. For landlords and property managers, Whitepages offers a tenant screening service. This includes running background checks, credit reports, and rental history to ensure potential tenants meet the necessary qualifications. 7. Identity verification and fraud detection. Whitepages provides an API for businesses and organizations that need to verify the identities of their customers. This service is commonly used for fraud prevention, customer onboarding, and ensuring compliance with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations in industries such as finance and healthcare. Paid versus free services. Free basic search. Users can perform basic people searches, phone lookups, and address lookups for free, but the information is often limited to high-level data, such as names, cities, and relatives. Premium services. Whitepages also offers premium subscription plans that unlock more in-depth information, including access to full background checks, property records, and contact details that are not available through the free search options. Whitepages Premium. This subscription provides users with access to unlimited background reports, contact information, and address history for a monthly fee. It also allows more robust searches and deeper records. Whitepages versus competitors. Whitepages is often compared to other public record and people search services such as Been Verified, Spokeo, and Intellius. While all of these services provide similar features, Whitepages has established itself as one of the most trusted and widely used platforms due to its long-standing presence and database quality. Data sources. Whitepages aggregates its information from a wide variety of publicly available sources, including public records, example property records, voter registration, telecommunications data, or phone numbers, data brokers, social media and online profiles. While Whitepages strives to maintain accurate and up-to-date data, users should be aware that not all information may be 100% accurate or current, as the platform relies on external sources. Privacy concerns. Due to the nature of the data Whitepages provides, it has sparked some concerns about privacy. Some users might not want their personal information to be publicly accessible. Whitepages offers a method to opt out of their database, which allows individuals to request that their information be removed from public listings. Usage and popularity. Whitepages is widely used by individuals who want to reconnect with lost contacts, verify someone's identity, or learn more about unknown callers. Businesses and professionals in real estate, legal services, human resources, and investigative fields also use Whitepages to gather information for professional purposes. Mobile access. Whitepages offers both a website and mobile apps, available for iOS and Android, making it easy for users to perform searches on the go. Controversies and criticism. Whitepages has occasionally faced criticism for accuracy and the potential for misuse of its information. Critics have raised concerns about outdated data, incorrect associations of people with phone numbers or addresses, and the potential for the platform to be used inappropriately for stalking or harassment. Conclusion: Whitepages is a comprehensive online directory that offers a range of services, from simple contact lookups to detailed background checks and identity verification. It is a powerful tool for individuals, businesses, and professionals needing access to public records and personal information, but it also raises important considerations around privacy and the ethical use of personal data.